Hello everyone. In my previous video, I mentioned that I was going to show you how to do this social task right here on the Gaya Wallet. The first video I did was I explained everything that you have to know, you needed to know about the Gaya Wallet and how to start your claiming process. But then I now promised that I was going to show some people how to go about the social task and how to link it for the newbies out there. All right, if you're watching this video and you've been wondering how to do this social task right here in the Gaya Wallet, this video is for you. All right, so if you're new to this channel, kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a new video, you're gonna be updated. Meanwhile, if you want to watch and understand and more about the project, you have to go and watch the video. All the links will be at the video at this video description. All right, without further ado, let's get started. So after clicking on that social task, it's going to take you to this section. Go ahead and click on where you have this. Remember, I say we want to start doing this task. Before you can even start doing all of these tasks every day, you have to first of all go and link your social accounts. All right, so that is what we'll be doing right now. So you click on these verify socials right here. You tap on it. And then this is what we are going to be linking. All right, so they say that we should link all our usernames. So you have to go and create, if you don't have any of all these accounts, you have to go and start creating all of these accounts. All right, so that is what I'm going to be doing. So the first thing we're going to be doing for a start is to link our YouTube. Then after linking our YouTube, when I come back here and paste all of them one after the other, we are going to be pasting all of them one after the other. All right, but before we do that, we are going to copy all the usernames and insert in our notepad and save it there. Then afterwards, we now come back right here into this wallet and insert them one after the other. All right, so let's go over and go to our YouTube, back to our YouTube channel and copy our username. So to do that, you have to minimize it. Minimize, go to your YouTube, then we'll go to our YouTube right here. Here I'm using Android, but if you're using iPhone, it all works the same. Okay, so to locate where your username is right here on YouTube, you have to click on where you have this. Click over here where you have this. You click on it. After typing on it right here, you now come here and click on this. All right, you can click on this. Then you just come right here and click on where you have this. You see this at learn with Vicky Cash. That is the username that you're going to be copying. Okay, so you can see it has popped out right here. Just tap on this. After typing on it, we've done that task. Okay, so we'll just go to our notepad and save it there and then go and do another task. So we'll save it right in our notepad. So yes, I've just saved it in my notepad right here. So I can now go over and do another task. All right, the next one we are going to be doing is to go ahead and copy our Discord server username and come back and paste it. All right, but remember I said that we are not going to be pasting it directly. We'll first of all save everything on a notepad. Okay, so let's go over and let's go to our Discord and go and do the process. So we just type Discord right here. You have to ensure that your Discord is saved in your phone. You have to download it, create an account, and then after creating an account, you now come back here and copy the Discord. You open it and go and locate your username. All right, where your username is, we just locate it. So here is my Discord. I want to locate my username. To do that is simple. Just click on where you have this U right here. You click on it. Then where you have this, you can either decide to use this option, but I prefer to always use this option right here by clicking on this setting. After clicking on that setting right here, you now come over and click on where you have these accounts. You tap on it. You tap on it, you can see username is right here. Okay, so you just tap on it, and then right here is your username on Discord. You just highlight it, copy it, that has been copied. You now go back to your notepad and save it. Okay, now go back to your notepad and save it. We've done the second one. All right, so we'll go ahead and do the next one. The next one is to copy our we are going to be copying our Telegram username and come back here and paste it. Okay, so let's go over and do that quickly. So we'll go to our Telegram right here, open it, then go over and locate where you have your username. If you don't know how to create a username, or you don't have a username on your Telegram, go ahead and watch our video on how to create a username on Telegram and learn how to do it. All right, so in this video I'm going to just copy my username on Telegram. So you can go to your profile, and copy your username. So here is my username right here, sitting and staring at me. So I just click on it, and then you copy the username right here, copied, and then we'll now go back and save it on our notepad the same way. I hope you guys are following every step of what I'm doing here. Okay, so remember I said that we are saving everything on our notepad. After saving all the usernames on our notepad, they will now head over to our Gaya Wallet and do the whole task. All right, so we are done doing the third task. We are going to be doing the fourth task and then the final fifth task, which is the X username. Okay, so okay, let's go over and do copy our X username. Okay, so let's go ahead and locate our X username and copy it. So we just open our X or Twitter. If you don't have the app, go ahead and download the app. Okay, register it and then come back and do this task. So I'll just go to click on it has opened, so I just click right here, copy. I'll click right on your profile. You can see this is your profile, and what you are seeing here is what is the username that we are going to be copying. All right, so anytime you see anything you see at, know that is the username on Twitter. So we'll just click on it and copy it. You just click on it. After clicking on it, you now come down here and just highlight it. Okay, highlight it, or if you know the name, you can just go ahead and type it in your notepad. Okay, so just go ahead and type it in your notepad. If you know the name of the username, if you know the name, there's no need, just go ahead and type at your username. I hope you understand what I'm showing you. I'm typing my username right here so that we can. All right, I've done the fourth task. Okay, so I'm going to go and do the fifth task, which is the final task right here. So the fifth task is my Instagram username. I'm going to copy my Instagram username and then come back here and I am using the light version of this. The light version means I'm using it directly from my Chrome. Okay, so you can go ahead and download it from Play Store. The light version is about 5 to 10 MB. You can also decide to access it directly from your Chrome. So I'm accessing it directly from my Chrome. So just head over to where you have this, your profile. You click on it. All right, I've clicked on it right now. So where you have this, where you can decide to use your edit with profile, or here is my username. I'll just click on right here. So you can see I've copied the first one. So anytime you paste any of them, any of the link here, go ahead and click on submit. You don't necessarily need to paste all of them at the same time. Okay, when once you paste one here, go ahead and click on submit to confirm it. All right, so right now I have pasted one. Immediately I pasted this one here, I clicked on submit and it recorded. I pasted the next one and I also clicked on submit and it recorded. So I want to be pasting the next one now to just show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to paste my YouTube link that I copied from the notepad right here. So I'll just click on that paste over there. After clicking on that paste over there, you can see here that what it has been pasted, what I copied, the username I copied from my notepad has been pasted automatically. So I'm going to submit, click on this submit, and then when you submit, I'll now go over and do the final ones right here. Okay, so I'll just click on that submit. I want to do this particular task. Okay, so I just click on submit. You let it load. So you can see it said socials updated. Whenever I saw socials updated, know that the task has been done. Just go ahead and click on this cancel over here and cancel it. You can see here that it has popped out. All right, it will load out this. Just go ahead and click on verify so that I can take you to where you were. And now you can see here that what I pasted has been added to the task. You can see here it has been added. I have done this task, I have done this one, I have done this one. So the same way we are going to do this one, just go over the same way to your notepad. Go and copy that username that we pasted right there. Come here and paste it here. Okay, then you now also do the same thing. You go to your Instagram, the same notepad, and copy your Instagram username, come back here and paste it. All right, I hope that is clear enough. Okay, congratulations, you have just successfully added all your socials accounts right here. Okay, you can see everything has been added right here. So that's how you go about the process. So in order for you to start doing, to commence this particular task right here at the bottom, you just go ahead and click on each of them one after the other, and you can see that anyone that we click on, the task is gonna be done. We can comfortably do the task right now. So when you click on this follow Gaya this task, it will load up this one. Go ahead and click on complete task. Then when you click on that complete task, it's going to automatically direct you to the page, all right, to the Instagram page. Because we have linked our Instagram, it will just go ahead straight to our Instagram page and then take us to our page directly. You can see it has taken us to our page directly. And so we just click on this follow button right here and the task is done. Okay, immediately you do the task, you can now go back to your wallet and go and click on complete task. All right, you go to where you were before and click on this mark as complete. Okay, if it does this, put your pin and then go to where you have that mark as complete and click on it. Okay, after following them right there, you now come back to your wallet right here and click. Because you have done that task, you can now comfortably click on this mark as complete, and then when you click on that mark as complete, the task, the 25 XP will be automatically added to your points. I hope that is clear enough. That is how you do this particular task. So just wait for it to verify. You can see showing verifying task completion. Just wait for a little while. After waiting, the point is gonna be added automatically to your Gaya wallet. Okay, the point is gonna show up. You can see it is marked good. You can see it is marked good. So any task you do is going to show up, show this sign. This sign means that this 25 XP has been added to your points. All right, I hope that is clear enough. So when you click on, when you go back, you can see here that the point has been added. Point has been added to this point here. Point has been added to my XPs. All right, and when you click right here, you can see, if you look up here, you can see that your numbers will also be increasing to show that the XP, the task that you did, has been added. All right, so that's how you do all of these tasks. So in order for you to do the next one, it's still the same process. So long as you have, I just want you to understand that so long as you have linked all of these socials, this remaining one here is going to be very easy. So what you have to do is just click on this follow Gaya Wallet to perform this task, this Twitter task. You click on this follow Gaya Wallet, it's going to direct you straight to your Twitter app. All right, it's going to direct you straight to your Twitter app. Then you follow them up. Immediately you follow them up, just go back to your minimize and go back to your Gaya Wallet. Right here in this social task, this is gonna pop out good. All right, just the same way we did this task, this Instagram task, is just the same way that this task is gonna be done. All right, it is very, very easy if you follow the steps accordingly. Just click on here, go over and follow them, minimize, come back and click on complete task. Immediately you click on complete task, the same way we did this one, this task is gonna be done, and this 25 XP is gonna be added to your points. I hope that is clear enough. The same way is how you do all of these tasks right here. If you follow the same way, you're gonna be doing all of these tasks right here. You're gonna be generating all of these points. All right. If you have any question, leave them at the comment section. I'll reply in 5 minutes. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop a new video, you're gonna be updated. See you in the next video.